Hey everybody, what's up? This is Crypto Cody, and I'm so excited today. Like literally, this was me earlier this morning.
You are now.
And today, you guys might be asking, well, Cody, why are you holding some champagne and dressed up real snazzy? Well, I'm going to tell you guys why. Let's hop into it right now. Yes. Okay, I'm no beatboxer, but that was freaking awesome, guys. Look at this. $5,941.18. That's a 4.24% increase.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.
Thank you, Mr. Pena, for those remarks. Listen to the billionaires, guys. Listen to the billionaires. All right, so let's get into some news this morning. So Bitcoin inches to $6,000 while the U.S. stock market is actually dropping. Really interesting. Tuesday, May 7th, following some moderate losses yesterday, the crypto market has railed to break new 2019 highs today. Isn't this exciting, guys? We're actually at a point now where we are now finally seeing new highs in 2019. Awesome, really exciting. Bitcoin inching almost to $6,000. Now, personally, guys, I personally have to say that I'm not going to be super comfortable in saying that we're like in this absolutely 100% bull market, back in the bull market, until I personally see, it going past 6,300. Okay, because there's some serious resistance around the $6,000 to $6,300 market area. So I just think that, once we get past that, that's when I'm like all in, balls to the walls. Bitcoin is on its bull run now. But I think right now the percentage rate is greater for us to be in a bull run than it is for it not to be. So, I mean, everyone's in high spirits. We're excited. The winter has left us and we are now in the spring. People are getting excited. People are getting their taxes back. A lot of people are getting refunded on taxes. So you're going to start seeing money going into the market. And I think that plays a lot into it, So now all the top 20 coins by CoinMarketCap are solidly in the green at this press time. So that's the other thing too, is that we're not just advancing into BTC, but we're also advancing with Ethereum. We're advancing with XRP, EOS. A lot of different coins are actually going up now. So we're seeing a lot of different growth in that. So we're excited about that. And I think that that's huge. The total market capitalization right now, it is 188 billion. So this is just exciting, guys. We're slowly seeing it happen once again. The market cap is going up. How awesome is that? So today, I just wanted to kind of, share with you guys the excitement. Definitely excited. I mean, don't be surprised if we start to see a little bit of a correction. But guys, I mean, we're on the up and the up. I mean, what you got to start doing is really start building your portfolios back up again and start getting back into buying. If you guys got some money that you're willing to invest in and, be willing to lose it too. I want to make sure that you guys are taking full responsibility for your financial decisions when investing in cryptocurrency. But what it comes down to is that we could very well never, here's the thing, guys, we could very well never see this number ever again. It's very possible. It's actually highly possible that within a year from now, we're going to see this number as a tiny little number. It's very possible. Now, when we go back into the bear, into a big correction, or what people like to call a bear market, a long-term correction or whatever, it could come back down to this. It could come back down to these numbers, but I don't personally think it's as likely. I think that these numbers right here, if you look at previous bear markets or previous long-term corrections, you'll see that the numbers did not show 5,950. Okay, that wasn't, they didn't come down to that kind of a point. They were lower and lower than that. And so, in other words, what I'm trying to say is with Bitcoin, and I'll show you guys this chart here in a second, but Bitcoin is on the up. I mean, it's been on the up ever since its existence. Okay, ever since Bitcoin came out, we've been on a long-term bull run. You can basically say we've been in a bull market ever since Bitcoin started, in my opinion. The reason why I say that is, well, let's check out this chart. All right, guys, so check out this chart. This chart is unbelievable. This is basically the history of Bitcoin, all right? Now, look at this. people say that we're in a bear market. People say it's going to zero, you know, we all these, but I want you to see this. It's just been having healthy corrections, healthy standard corrections at all these different levels. And what I want to show you guys is, you know, this first correction right here was $750 to $1,000. Then it went up here. The next crash crashed around $2,500. People were freaking out about that. And then it crashed at $4,000 and people were freaking out at that. And here we are, guys. Now we're on this crash where we're seeing it somewhere around $5,500. I mean, yes, it went down to the bottom, but the reality is this, is that we're only going up, over and over and over every single, you know, couple of years. We just keep on seeing these crashes. But look at this. I mean, if you were to go back to here and take a look at where we're at now here, you're going to say to yourself, okay, the reality actually is that Bitcoin is really on the up. It just is. You know, I'm glad that we've come down here. I really am. The reason why is because when we were up here, you know, if it were to keep going up today, I would be freaking out. Chart analysis people would be freaking out because they would be afraid that, you know, if Bitcoin just did this big swing flying way up and keeps on going and going and going and going, you know, what kind of a correction? There's no stability. Now we have the security of knowing that we actually have stability here because this is, you know, and it just keeps on repeating itself. So that, I just want to encourage you guys to understand that, you know, I think the next bull run is going to be really exciting, but don't be discouraged once, you know, it goes up past this top that we've seen up here and then goes back down, but it's probably going to go back down to, who knows? I mean, we might actually see it go back down to maybe here in the next bear market or something along those lines. You see that kind of resistance line. I'm no crazy chart analysis guy, so please, if you're a chart analysis guy, fill in some comments and educate us on chart analysis and what we expect to see. But we keep on seeing these steady lines that keep on going through, you know, and it just keeps going up. So anyways, I just want to encourage you guys to understand that, you know, we could very well officially be in the bull market, but I want to see, I personally, like I said earlier, I'd like to see Bitcoin hit 6,300, go past 6,300 because we have quite a resistance line within that area. And let's just wait it out, guys. Let's start investing, get excited about what's going on. We're out of the winters into the springs of crypto, and it's not just Bitcoin, it's also all the altcoins. So anyways, guys, leave me a comment, smash the bell notifications, like this, please. Just let's build this community. And if you guys have any recommendations or things that you want me to talk about, please tell me what it is that you want to talk about in the comment section. If we have over 10 comments, I will do a 50 TRX giveaway. So make sure you guys leave a comment. We have over 10 comments, 50 TRX giveaway. I'll randomly choose a winner for that. And I love you guys. I think you guys are awesome. I really appreciate you all. Let's make this thing do this. Whoop. Sorry, you can tell that I'm enjoying playing with this new little drawing thing. So anyways, guys, have an awesome day. Crypto Cody out.